What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can import your Slack to your n8n or how you can connect your Slack to n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n and then you need to log in with your credentials and then you need to create your new workflow. After that you need to click on this add first tab and then you need to click on trigger manually. After that click on this plus icon again and then you need to search for Slack. After searching for Slack you need to click on this and then you need to choose an action, and after choosing an action here, you will be redirected to a new page or a pop-up window of Slack. Click on select credential and then create new credential. After that, you have two options to connect Slack using the access token or through the OAuth 2. If you want to access the Slack to n8n through the OAuth 2, you just simply need to enter the client ID and client secret. And if you want to access it through the access token, you need to enter the access token. So where you'll find it from, you just simply need to open a new tab and then you need to search for Slack API. After that, when you are redirected to the Slack API's website, you need to click on this create new app here and then you need to click on create from scratch. You need to give an app name, and after giving the app name, you need to select the workspace which you want the app to be in, and then you need to simply click on create app and then the new app will be created. And from here you can see your client ID and client secret. Just simply copy your client ID and after copying it, head over to n8n and then in the OAuth 2, just simply enter your client ID and then the client secret. So just simply copy your client secret from here. And after copying your client secret, head back to n8n and then copy and paste the client secret. And when you are done, simply click on save and then your credential will be saved successfully. And after that, when you have entered the client ID and client secret, click on connect my account and connect your Slack account to your n8n by just signing in with your email, password and other credentials. After signing in, your Slack account will be finally connected to your n8n, but make sure you just connect your Slack account to your n8n, else it won't work. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.